Why does your scanner show the P1167 engine code? What does it mean? P1167 is a diagnostic trouble code for air-fuel ratio sensor 1 heater system malfunction. This engine code indicates that the heater element within the sensor, responsible for maintaining its operating temperature, is not functioning properly, causing inaccurate readings. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty air or fuel ratio sensor 1. Damaged sensor wiring. Open or short circuit in heater circuit. Low voltage supply to heater. Contaminants in the exhaust system. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in most modern vehicles with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan and Infiniti models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.